Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to see anyone close friend's story on Instagram easily and quickly. If you want to know when someone includes you in their close friends list, now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account, since stories and friend lists are only visible to logged in users. Step 2. Go to the Home tab, which is the main screen you see when you open the app. If you're not already on the Home tab, just tap the home icon located at the bottom left corner. Step 3. Look at the top of your screen where Instagram stories from the people you follow appear in circles. Step 4. Notice the profile pictures with colored circles around them. If you see a green circle with a white star, it means that person has added you to their close friends list. Step 5. When you see the green circle, it means you are part of their close friends, and you can view their exclusive stories that are not visible to others. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Instagram tips and tricks.